In the heavenly body Orion lies a star that has entranced cosmologists for quite a long time. Betelgeuse is a red giant star that is significantly larger and denser than our Sun. Betelgeuse, on the other hand, has recently displayed unusual behavior, dimming significantly and vibrating violently. The possibility that this star is about to explode has emerged as a result of these occurrences. However, what if this is just the beginning of something even more terrifying? Imagine a scenario where Betelgeuse isn't going to detonate, however to fall in on itself. Go along with us on this excursion to the shoulder of Orion's fighter to examine exhaustively these progressions in Betelgeuse and the potential ramifications for Earth. Betelgeuse is a massive star that is roughly 1,000 times larger than our own Sun. Its size is amazing, but it also carries the fate of massive stars. A short lifespan that could lead to a devastating supernova explosion. The vulnerability lies in the specific timing of this possible breakdown, making it an enormous delayed bomb that stays a secret to researchers. Just 650 light-years away, Betelgeuse has enthralled space experts with its splendor. As we attempt to decipher the mysteries that lie within its fiery depths, we are awestruck by its brilliance. Shockingly, just 13% of its brilliant energy is noticeable to us. On the off chance that we could see its full quality, it would overshadow even Sirius, the most splendid star in our night sky. Imagine a massive star that extends beyond the asteroid belt and nearly touches Jupiter. Its radius is 1,000 times that of our Sun. Betelgeuse's irresistible cosmic allure would devour Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus in this vast realm. Be that as it may, the secrets of Betelgeuse don't end there. The star releases a magnificent stellar spectacle in the form of a nebula every millennium by ejecting a solar mass. This cloud, which is multiple times bigger than the actual star, wraps Betelgeuse with an ethereal dimness that draws our look. Stretching out its span to 30 galactic units, this cloud welcomes us to observe a grandiose dance of miracles and find its most profound insider facts. The alchemy of hydrogen fusion, in which helium explodes into space, is at the heart of Betelgeuse's creation. At last, the star's hydrogen fuel runs out, setting off a divine transformation, and the star starts to intertwine carbon, releasing a shine that spreads across the universe. However, even this grandiose fusion has its limits, and the formation of iron from the fusion is a significant change. The star's gravitational force is delivered because of the shortfall of energy, setting off an inescapable breakdown that moves Betelgeuse towards a destiny that is both wonderful and calamitous. A cosmic explosion blast. This immense celestial entity generates unimaginable power that resonates throughout the universe by releasing a force that is comparable to that of 10 billion suns. Stars undergo a fascinating transformation over time, going from their youthful, vibrant blue hues to their mature, fiery red hues. Betelgeuse was identified by the distinctive red color that distinguished it from the celestial tapestry during the 2nd century BC by Chinese stargazers. In the 2nd century AD, the Greco-Roman astronomer Ptolemy noticed this, and in his mystical writings, he described Betelgeuse as having an orange or reddish appearance, a feature that still catches our attention to this day. Betelgeuse's mysterious nature is further enthralled by its consistent coloration across various civilizations, including medieval Middle Eastern observers. As we investigate Betelgeuse's unexpected behavior, the narrative takes an enigmatic turn. Scientists were baffled when the star suddenly decreased in brightness in 2019. There is still no clear explanation for the star's origin, but some people thought that a huge cloud of dust that fell from the surface obscured our view of it. Some researchers think that the star's surface may have been altered, or even absorbed by a large object like a planet. Betelgeuse has increased in brightness in recent months to close to 50% of its average brightness, which is unexpected considering that typically older stars tend to become dimmer. Although they are aware that stars can experience changes in brightness for a variety of reasons, scientists are unsure of the reason behind the sudden increase in brightness. Some stars, for instance, cycle through bright and dim phases. The star Mira is known as the Wonder Star, since it changes its brilliance, growing and contracting consistently, which influences how much light that it transmits. This is a common occurrence in many stars, including Algol and 30 other stars that can be seen without a telescope in the night sky. In the profound center of Betelgeuse, a seismic shift was occurring where the launch of searing material flung into space made an ethereal residue haze of brilliant extent. Betelgeuse became a dim star in the night sky after a field of celestial dust covered a significant portion of its glowing light. From being one of the 10 brightest stars to being one of the 20 brightest, its brightness plummeted to unimaginable levels. As of late, Betelgeuse has overcome all presumption and perplexed researchers all over the planet with its phenomenal way of behaving. There are a lot of theories out there that try to figure out what's causing these big changes. Some people think that massive sunspots or dust clouds are to blame for these changes, while others think that cycles happen at the same time. An amazing theory has come to light. The supernova explosion has already taken place. Yes, that is what I said. There is now evidence to suggest a different story, despite previous estimates predicting that Betelgeuse's supernova event could occur hundreds of thousands of years from now. Kepler's supernova, a supernova that dazzled the heavens centuries ago, is said to have occurred in our galaxy, according to some researchers. Scientists have fostered a model that recommends Betelgeuse is in a late phase of carbon consuming, demonstrating that it very well may be nearly a radiant blast, making it a solid contender for the following cosmic explosion occasion in our smooth manner world. As an excellent finale in the grandiose ensemble, Betelgeuse stands apart as a competitor for the following cosmic explosion inside our darling smooth way. Notwithstanding, understanding Betelgeuse resembles tackling a riddle because of clashing perceptions. It has encountered enormous discharges of material and resulting recuperation, proposing a mass launch occasion, however not on the size of our star, the Sun. The twist is that supernovae are real things, and in 1987 we saw one in a Milky Way satellite galaxy. There is no time to schedule a vacation around our estimates of the explosion at Betelgeuse. The difficulty of observing Betelgeuse is the obstacle. This star has been studied by scientists for centuries. They have noticed changes in its brightness, which suggests that it is getting older and may soon go supernova. Be that as it may, there is deficient proof to say with sureness when this will happen. When a star reaches the end of its life, an extremely bright explosion known as a supernova occurs. The brightness of a supernova is influenced by the size of the exploding star, despite the fact that it is safe to observe with the naked eye from our planet and is harmless to life on Earth. Because Betelgeuse is a huge star, its supernova will be very bright, like a crescent moon, and it will be visible even at night. What is your take? Do you believe Betelgeuse has already burst into flames? Please let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel so that you do not miss any more content. I will see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching.